Hi, how are you today? It's 5 minutes after midnight, so it's Wednesday by now. But I am here because I just reached my next milestone. I was able to convert brainwaves into characters using the Morse code. As you might already know, I use brainwaves to detect eyeblinks, and based on the length of the eyeblinks, I convert them to dots and lines, and that that corresponds to the Morse code with which I can convert them to characters. So, of course, the solution is not perfect, and I am also not perfect, so I can't always do the short blink, the long blink regularly. Sometimes I fail, and I also introduced the very long blink, which is longer than 1 second and 200 milliseconds. I can reset the characters with that or the signals. So if I make a mistake, I just close my eyes for a while and then I can start again. So let's start with a reset. Now you should see a very long blink there, but it's not there. So let's try it again. Okay, here it is. So let's start with some simple thing, like say hi. The age is 4 dots, which means 4 short blinks. Let's try to do that. Cool, we have age. And now let's do an eye. Eye is also very simple. It's 2 dots. Okay, my first blink was too short. So let's try again. Cool, we have the eye. So hi. What else should we try? We have numbers here. So why don't we try, for example, 1. It's a dot and 4 dashes. So let's do that. Okay, I messed up the last one. It wasn't long enough. So let's try it again. 1 short, 1, 2, 3, 4 long. Wow, and we have the 1. It's great. Well, let's try one more thing. I will type my name, Mickey, M-I-K-I. So let's start with the M, too long. Okay, first, I should have made a reset first, so let's start it again. Too long. Yeah, we have the M. Let's go with the I. Two short blinks. Yes, we have the I. Let's have a key. Long, short, long. Okay, the short became a normal blink. And we got an M again. So let's do that again. Long, short, long. And here it is, the key, K. And let's do an I, which is too short. And we have it. Cool. Actually, I'm very proud of myself. I had basically 1 week to achieve this. So starting from zero, I had very little knowledge about brainwaves, about Python programming. So I think it's a quite good result, but I can't stop here now because I'm participating in the hashnode write-a-thon, in which you have to write an article in 4 different subjects from which you can choose. It's mobile development, web development, cloud computing, and Web3 development. And my plan is to create a web application from this. And because I don't know any front-end technology, the latest one what I used was Java Swing, and I definitely don't want to do a Java Swing front-end for this. My first plan was to make a mobile app, but then I realized that my future plans are much better for a web application, because the next step will be to make an application which can detect eye movement direction, so I can have a different approach for selecting a character, because I will split up the screen to 9 regions, and there will be the center region, and there will be the up, down, left, right, and the corners, and all of them will contain a bunch of characters. So whenever I detect the eye moves that direction, and I do a click with a blink, then I will select that group. Then I have to move back my eye to the center, and then make another move. And in the second round, I will be able to select a character. I do believe it will be faster than this current solution, and in the long run it can be improved somehow. I don't know exactly how at the moment, to select words instead of characters, but I'm making it open source, so you can come up with any ideas, you can implement it, or you can tell it to me. I will think about it, implement it. I would really love to brainstorm about these things, because I'm really a newbie on this field, but I'm learning fast, very fast. So that's my plan. And the deadline for creating the web application and writing the article about it is 15th of May. So I don't have too much time, and I still have 2 other articles in my pipeline that I have to finish in a very short period of time. And as you might know, I also have a family and a full-time job. So this is why I am doing this stuff 30 minutes after midnight. But I really love it. It really motivates me. Actually, I get energy from doing this. So I'm pretty happy about the current situation. But I think it's time to go to sleep. So see you soon. Bye.